How do you read these? Right, earn, watch, attend. And how do you read these? And that's what we're going to talk about in this video. So watch it till the end and it just might help. When D or ed is added to the base form of the verb to function as past tense, then it's a regular verb. This may get confusing as to when to read verbs ending in ed with either d, t, or id sound. So here's a reading guide for you to quit saying watch it and wash it. Rule 1. D sound. If the base or the root verb ends in voiced sound, which means your vocal cords vibrate, the sound of D blends in when ed is placed. That means no additional syllable, like yearn, yearned, pull, pulled, bow, bowed, stay, stayed. These consonant sounds are voiced. Probed, egged, changed, filed, alarmed, warmed, cared, loved, buzzed, bathed. And all vowel sounds are voiced. Played, freed, tied, showed, sued. Rule 2. T sound. If the base form of the verb ends in voiceless sound, which means it's like a whisper and your vocal cords don't vibrate, the T sound blends in when ed is placed. That means no additional syllable either. Pack, packed, wipe, wiped, watch, watched, chase, chased. These consonant sounds are voiceless. Laughed, picked, hoped, passed, fixed, patched, wished. So no more patch it and wash it, okay? Rule 3. The id sound. If the base form of the verb ends in T or D, that's when the id or ud sound is added. That means we add one more syllable to the word. Rent, rented, end, ended. Now let's practice. Right. Parked, prayed, wasted, embraced, recorded, grilled. Thank you for watching. Share it with everyone and this just might help.